This is Chris. We're looking at a brand new synthetic turf artificial grass installation. Compared to the previous video that I just made on the video feed, it's going to be essentially the same type of artificial turf. And see, it's standing up because it's brand new, but there's no infill put into this. There should be a half-inch layer of infill between the blades and the backing. Over time, this is going to be flattened and it's going to wear out prematurely. And instead of having a really nice, good value synthetic turf, it's just going to need to be replaced earlier. Make sure you get a complete package quote from contractors itemizing it. You should not have, oh, it's $19.99 per square foot. Oh, what is in each square foot? How much base? How much DG? How much, how many blades in the fiber count in the synthetic turf? How much infill? What kind of backing? What kind of edging? You want an itemized bid. And never, ever, in California at least, give more than, what is it? I think 10%, might even only be 1% of the money up front. You should always have a 20% retention, 20% control when your contractor's done. When he's completely done, he can have the other 20% or even the 15%, and you hold the other 5% for 30 days to make sure there's no problems.